Good morning, my friends. My family is still sleeping, so I'm going to talk softly. Right now, I'm making my detox tea. It's my first time actually trying it, but it's actually clean tox. So it's elderberry, mint, and it's with milk thistle and licorice. And now I have to tell you, I was not looking forward to this because I personally don't like licorice, but I do like mint, and it smells like mint, so I'm encouraged because it doesn't smell like black licorice, so I'm glad. I wanted to show you guys how I'm making my shake this morning. Now, my friend who's a consultant, she recommends 2 scoops of this, and 1 scoop of that once you're used to it, or half a scoop of it before you're used to it. I have a little bit more than half a scoop of that. I have a little bit more than 1 scoop, maybe like 1 and almost a half scoop of the chocolate. And I'm adding in a half a scoop of my mint. This is not Arbonne, this is 310. But this is the shakes that I'm finishing up from before I did Arbonne, and it really, with the ingredients, it goes right along with the Arbonne diet. It's just made out of vegetables, so it goes well with it. I've got these avocado chunks, and I'm doing half of a frozen banana. If I want to make my shake sweeter, I could put a whole banana, but that's a lot of natural sugar, so that's why I'm doing half of a banana. These are frozen chunks, and so I'm not putting ice. I'm using water because Arbonne is actually a dairy-free diet, and so all of this, honestly, with the water, it's flavorful enough. You're not missing the milk really. So first I'm going to drink my detox tea. And a lot of times what people will do is they'll drink their tea, they'll save their tea bag and put it in another cup of water, and whatever diluted tea is left in there, they'll put it in their next shake, like save it in the fridge, right? So I'm probably going to do that, just, get your money's worth out of it, right? Okay, I'm going to make my shake. Let's go. Slightly greenish because of the greens that are in it, but it should be yummy. And here's my breakfast. Have a lovely day.